Think of ChatGPT as a chatbot. Think again. In the short term, beginners can use ChatGPT to write email, get homework help, brainstorm ideas, or even learn new skills fast. But here I will surprise even the advanced users. ChatGPT can debug code, generate entire business plans, simulate interview practice, write full YouTube script, and even help build apps or automate tasks. Whether you are just starting out or already tech savvy, ChatGPT is your personal assistant, tutor, coder, and creative partner in all one. Now, how to use ChatGPT, but here I'm going to focus on how to use each app. You can find how to use the website in the description section by my partner tutorial. Here I'm going to break it down to show you everything you need to know. Step 1, how to download ChatGPT. Many of you know how to download it, but here I'm going to be specific. You can download the app from App Store or Play Store and follow the sign up process by using your email. Now, after signing up, step 2, how to use each feature. So watch till the end to know how to use this ChatGPT application. Now here, the ChatGPT looks simple, but here you can see on the center menu what it say, what can I help you with. Now here you can create image by clicking on this create image. And here you can make a plan by clicking on this make a plan. Now here you can summarize a text by clicking on this summarize a text. Also you can find more prompt steps by clicking here. Now here on the top section you can see a chat icon here. Here by clicking this icon is to ask for a temporal information and then send it. After replying the temporal information, this information will be stored for 30 days. You can see it here, and then it will disappear. This information also is not saved in ChatGPT. So by clicking this icon means you tell the AI not to save this, just to store this temporary. Now to remove it, just click on the icon like this to remove it. Now here on that section, you can see here, it says ask anything. Now here you can ask something here like this, how to love. Now here on the down section also you can see here, see this photo icon here which is called attach here. And here you can upload a photo and ask question, or take a picture of something and ask question, or upload a file. You can upload, and here you can upload PDF, Python program, and then ask question, codes, and ask question on it, and AI will debug or reply the question. Now here you can see here this icon, this is called toolbox here. Here you can generate an image by clicking on this generate an image. Here you can search the web by clicking on this search the web, which means the AI will search the web in order to give you a particular information or in order to reply you for a particular information. Now here on this run deep research, to the ChatGPT AI will go through research in order to give you a reply here. By clicking on this deep research here, you can see it 5 minutes. And also here on the down section, you can see think for long, which means the AI will think in order to give you the reply. Now here also, by clicking this back navigation, and here you can see this audio icon which is called dictation. Now by clicking this audio icon here, and then say what you want the ChatGPT to give you a reply on, and then click on the good arrow to save it. Okay, and then wait for it to convert to text. Now here you can see it here. As you can see, it convert my audio to text. You see it here. Now here, what you do now is just click on this up arrow icon for it to generate a reply here, and then wait for it. Now here on this three line icon is where you can start a voice conversation with the AI by clicking here, and then start a voice conversation with the AI like this. And then here, you see it here, you can select anyone, as many voice model you can see here. You can select anyone you like, and then after selecting anyone you like, what you do now is now here, and then click on this done icon here to select the one you like, and then start a conversation with it. Hey, what do you love to eat?
Haha, if I could eat, I think I'd go for something warm and cozy. Maybe a big bowl of ramen or a gooey slice of pizza. What about you? What's your comfort food?
My comfort food is pizza.
Yes, pizza is unbeatable. Do you go classic with just cheese, or do you have a favorite topping combo?
It's like I love cheese.
Same here. A hot, cheesy slice, melty, stretchy, just perfect. Do you like it plain, or do you add something like extra cheese or maybe garlic crust?
That garlic cloves is more sweeter.
Ooh, the garlic Lux sounds fancy. Just to be sure, do you mean
Here you can see our conversation. Here you see it. Now also here you can clear the conversation by clicking this icon here. Now here you can see the menu icon on top side here. By clicking this menu icon here is where you can find your previous prompt or previous question here. You see it. And also here you can see explore ChatGPT. You can also see library. You can also here by clicking this explore ChatGPT here. Here is where you can find other AI models which is used for a specific task. Here you can see it here. And then click on anyone you want to use or the one you want to use for a specific task here. By clicking on it like this here. And then here you can see what it's capable of. And then click on start chatting here and start using it. And here you can go back by clicking on this back arrow icon here to go back. Now here also you can find the trending ones here by clicking on this trending and find the trending ones. You see it. Also you can go back by clicking on this back arrow icon on top side here in the search box here. Now here on the library here. Now here on the library is where you can find image you generated using the AI. You see it. Now here to go back, just click on this back arrow icon on top side here. Now here also you can turn off the learning model by here clicking this icon here. And then here click on this data controls here. Now here you can see improve the model for everyone. Here you can turn this off and then the AI will use your content in order to learn or to improve itself, which is not good. Here you can also clear the charts by clicking on this clear chart here and then clear the chart, or you can delete your account if you want, but I don't suggest that. I don't suggest you do that. Now here you can go back here by clicking on this back arrow here. Also here you can see personalize. Here on this personalize by clicking this icon here is where you can customize instruction, and here change language here to language you like here by clicking on this language. Now here on this memory here by clicking this toggle on for the AI to save the memory or save the prompt based on your response, or save the conversation or prompt you type in the ChatGPT here for future. Now you can find the memories by clicking on this manage memories and then find the memories here. Now here to customize instruction, just click on this customize instructions here and then click on this continue here and then type what you want the AI to call you. Here I would like you to call me gentle shadow. Now here describe what you do for the AI. Here you describe what you do and then give a trace to ChatGPT how you want it to be, like how you want the AI to be like. Give it a trace. Now here you can tell here anything else you want it to know about you. Now here you can see advanced here. By clicking at this advanced, here is where you can select the capability of the AI here. Now after customizing your instruction, what you do is just click on this good icon on top side here to save it and then go back here. Now here you can set up your ChatGPT voice by clicking on this voice here and select anyone you would like to use here by clicking this voice here. Select any voice you like to use here. Me, I like to use this Ember here and click on done here after selecting it. Now here you can give it access to have a conversation with you in your home screen background by clicking on this background conversation here. Also you can use it as your default assistant by clicking this icon here, this toggle on, and then use it as your device assistant. Select this as your device assistant here by clicking here and then click on ChatGPT like this and then click on OK. Now you have selected as your default digital assistant app. Now here go back like this. Now you can use it as your device digital assistant like this. You see it. Now here, now also you can upgrade your ChatGPT application to Plus by clicking on this upgrade to Plus here, and then you can see the feature added to Plus here. You can see it here, and then click on this upgrade to Plus to upgrade it. Now here to go back, click on your back navigation like this, and then click on this back arrow icon here, and then click on your home screen like this. So that's how to use ChatGPT application. If you found this video helpful, like, subscribe, and click on the bell icon for more helpful tech tutorial. And if you have any question, leave it at the comment section. I will do so to reply you. Now, see you on the next video. Peace.